Good day everyone, welcome to my video presented titled Exploring our past doing historical research online and in libraries and archive. I'm Rainier Barona Tupas and today I will take you on a great journey through the history of my hometown, Barangay Nabok, one of the largest and most popular barangays in the municipal of Moncayo, Davao de Oro. Barangay Nabok is known as for its vibrant community, rich culture and close communication to the mining industry that has shaped much of its history. Is home to hardworking people whose stories reflect both progress and resilience. Studying our local history is important because it helps us understand our community has evolved from its humble beginning to the thriving barangay it's today. Through historical research, we preserve our identity, our heritage, and learn lessons that can guide future generations. The beginning my research is first explore online sources together. I gather reliable information about Barangay Nabok post. I use keywords like Barangay Nabok history, Moncayo, Davao de Oro archive, Barangay Nabok founding, and Moncayo local government history. I visit several credible websites including the official Moncayo LGU website, Davao de Oro provincial government site, and some local news articles from Sunstar, Davao de Oro, and Mindanao Times. It's also some digital archive and online journals that discuss the region, mining, and community development. To the ensure credibility of my sources, I will verify the information